Ayan o. Oh, good morning to everyone. Here comes the place of Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. One of the places. Beautiful trees, virgin forest. Yeah. We walk and jogging to prepare or to make our body healthy. Healthy. Good morning to everyone. Yan. Yeah, yan. Yan sinasabi ko eh. Biruin mo yan. Oh, yan. Oh, yan ang walking at jogging ng mga tao rito sa Canada, Edmonton, Alberta. Yan. Summer pero lang eh malamig pa rin, fresh air, virgin forest. Yan. Oo, grabe. Matindi. Kahit summer dito, malamig pa rin. Jacket palagi. Always wear your jacket. Okay? And also prepare your body to long jogging and walking to fight the pandemic in our country. Yes. To all my kababayan. Okay. Just keep God to our mind and soul. Okay? God bless us all.